Learn English conversation. Fashion. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Good, thanks. What can I help you with? Well, I'm looking for something fashionable to buy my daughter. All right. How old is she? She's 15. Girls that age are usually on top of fashion. Yes, she's very fashionable. Unfortunately, I'm not. Well, you came to the right store. Only because my daughter recommended it. Don't worry. I'm here to help you out. Good. I'm looking for summer clothing for her. Well, the young woman's department is right over there. Wow, there's a lot. Yeah, we have everything your daughter could want. Fashion was a lot simpler when I was 15. What do you recommend? We just got some new cute tops in that she would probably love. Great. Do you have any swimsuits? Yes, we do. One piece or two piece? She likes wearing a two piece. Okay. You can go talk to Julie in the young woman's department. All right, great. Thanks for your help. No problem. Have a nice day. You too.